Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth progress of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Well, I still have a bush, still giving me berries. All is good, except it's 20 degrees this morning. It'll be colder tomorrow morning. It is very cloudy, very somber outside. Well, our garden has a lot of growth. And its fruit output has been average so far, unlike this plant. An abnormally low pepper producer. The first pepper plant with its buddy, who also produced late. But that's okay. We only use the peppers for canning. Little tomatoes finally coming out, and all these beautiful, magnificent peppers ready for canning. And no matter how quickly I pick them, I always have more. Well, it was still so moist yesterday, I didn't even bother watering the garden at the end of the day. I laid the hose out, didn't put any water down. Well, there's like continual 30 and 40% chance of rain. You know, the old story. Oh, good. Let's hope you're getting pollinized. And you too. Be ashamed to have all that growth and then not get fruit, like so many of these zucchinis and squashes. Anything new to pick today? I don't see any. Just a lot of flowers. There was one growing somewhere here underneath this madness. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Oh my. Ooh, that's a big squash. Should have picked it yesterday. Let's put that down. Well, our onions are doing really well. Hey, look at that growth. And the potatoes, I keep saying I need to dig up. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe today. Our beans. Again, just a handful yesterday, less than the day before. Just enough for supper. You can sure tell which plants are doing better. These are mostly all big kahunas. And they just don't seem to be doing well in this weather. But these exotic dark purple beans I call them exotic because, you know, they're not green. The plants are doing just fine. Well, our corn and potatoes, I think we're going to get a good batch out of those. The tops are staying strong, healthy, in spite of the black flea beetles, unlike the ones in the box. Well, let's go back through here, see if we can find another squash. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the only one I saw from yesterday. In this box. All right, let's look here. I know there was one growing here. Oh, no. Where are you? Oh, maybe we'll get the one there. I think he's around here. Oh, wow. Okay. Ah, there you are. You're here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Nope. We'll let it get a little bigger. Just a touch bigger. It's got some width on the other end there. Okay. Well, our squashes are doing fantastic. I've been lucky, really lucky, to continue to find beetle eggs as they've been laid on these leaves. I just lay them up here. Of course, they're kind of tough to get at times. Yeah, right there. Well, you can see the hole there in the leaf that I just ripped the eggs right out. Usually I'd scrape them off, but bit of a climb. Okay. All right, let's go to the front and go have a look at the multi-headed Butch. Can you believe this is the 71st episode? Episode 71. If anyone has been following it from the first episode, you will have seen all the changes to the garden. I talked about how these pumpkin vines would come out of the box and then grow down along the grass once it gets over this sidewalk, giving us pumpkins. I don't know if we'll get the same again this year. I've seen far too many of those little white butterflies flying around. And they have a nasty critter they lay on the plants that just decimates them. So, the singing ain't done till the fat lady sings. And we still have a couple more months of growth to go. If we are lucky, if our higher power blesses us so. Speaking of blessings, there's old Butch. There's one flower there and another flower there. Butch beat them all. It's just a shrimp is already flowering. Those plants should grow a little taller, but if anybody's been watching and knows about Butch, they know that he was nearly decimated. Broken off at the bottom. Well, we stacked some dirt around them and he managed to grow. Oh, I see the pumpkining is finally wanting to come across into the desert of dead grass. We've not had much rain this July. Less than 15 minutes worth, maybe, feels like. except for maybe one good soak. No good for the crops. Certainly not good for the garden or the water bill. Oh, look. Flowering. Well, we might get some fruit from you after all. And this isn't working, I think. Yeah. There's not enough moisture, not enough dirt. Didn't catch it enough in time. If I'd noticed the root down there was being attacked by boreworms, I could have buried the rest of the vine sooner. Oh, what are you doing? Choking out. Yeah, this is where the battle starts. Go. Okay. Well, it's getting interesting in the front box, eh? If you hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.